the taste of Vietnam. My name is Olaf. I'm a chef, writer and photographer who dives into the culinary heart of the Quang Nam region. Getting inspired by local food and ingredients to find my own style and create new dishes for the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An. Pho is one of the most common soup dish when it comes to Vietnamese cuisine. This traditional breakfast soup comes with a slow cooking beef stock, fresh beef, rice noodles and lots of fresh herbs and salad. This is so good. The Tui Blue Nam Hoi An resort is very close to the most colorful fish market I have ever been to. Here at Tam Tien you find all varieties of the freshest local fishes and seafood. As I never saw a pho with seafood, my mission was clear. Cooking this soup with a fresh octopus must be so good too. So here is how I made it. Take some homemade beef stock, let the octopus simmer for about 2 hours, spice it up with cardamom, star anise, cinnamon, and if it's tender, cut the octopus in pieces. Cook the rice noodles and serve it all together with fresh herbs and sprouts, chili, lemon, and a tiny version of an octopus, if you have. Well, that was a pleasure for me to create this recipe for the menu of the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An.